So over here you can see that I got two layers right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here onto let's say a shape right here and make another shape right here. And then another layer is created, as you can see. So now what you can do with the layer over here is you can group them out as well. So here you can see that there are three layers. So I'm just going to go around and hold Shift on my keyboard and select the top layer right here, just like this. So all of them are selected. So now what you can do is you can group this out. So to do that, you can right click, and over here you can see group from layers is an option. And once I click on it, you can see that I can name the group whatever I want. So I'm just going to go around and rename this to TutorTube. And you can also go around and choose a color right here. And here you can see you can also choose blending mode, but we're going to focus on the blending mode in upcoming videos. So we're going to press OK, and now you can see that now these layers that we selected are a group. And if I were to go around over here onto the move tool, if I were to click and drag, they move as a single layer, as you can see. But I can still expand out this group and then select a layer of my choice and move only that layer as well. So if I were to go around right here, you can see that only that layer, a particular layer, is here. So I can still go around over here and then move that out over here just like this as well. So let me just go around, select it, and this is the layer, as you can see right here. You can resize it right here, you can move it around, and there you go. Yeah, you can still see that they are separate, but over here you can see that they act as a group as well. You can also bring out a layer out of the group by clicking and dragging out the layer right here. So here you can see that there's a layer already. So let me just go around and then apply the change right here, click outside, and over here let me select out the layer, bring it outside, and that is not there in the group anymore. So while this is still a group, this is out of the group, as you can see. You can also bring it inside, as you can see right here. You can go around and bring all of it outside right here, and you can select it out all right here just like this as well. So let me just go around and select it all right here, and you can also go around and click on create a new group, and a group is created accordingly right here. You can go around onto the group and then click right here and then rename it according to how you want as well, just like you would name any other layers right here. So that is how you can work around with grouping of layers inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.